Today, I'm going to show you how to delete a transaction in QuickBooks Online. First, sign into QuickBooks Online and open the correct company file. From the left side menu, click Accounting. Then select Chart of Accounts. Find the account that contains the transaction you want to delete. On the right side of that account row, click View Register. This opens the account register for that account. Now find the transaction you want to remove. Click the transaction to expand it. Check the date, reference number, payee, account, and amount to make sure you selected the correct transaction. At the bottom of the transaction details, click Delete. QuickBooks will ask you to confirm the action. Review the warning carefully. If you are sure, click Yes to delete the transaction. QuickBooks may ask you to confirm one more time. If it does, click Yes again. The transaction will now be removed from the register. After deleting it, review the account balance to make sure everything looks correct. If the transaction was already reconciled, be careful because deleting it may affect a previous reconciliation. And that's how to delete a transaction in QuickBooks Online in 2026.